If you want to control music with the gestures on a Realme 14T, we need to go to Settings. Now over here in the settings, we're gonna scroll down until you find Accessibility and Convenience. After that, we're gonna scroll down again, and we need to find Gestures and Motions, and then go to Screen Off Gestures. And over here we have Music Control option, which of course we need to enable if you want to control music with the gestures. Over here we also have an instruction how to use it. So when the screen is off, we can draw two vertical lines with our fingers in order to pause or play music. We can also we can draw the arrow on the screen, like you can see over here, in order to play a previous track. And we can draw the arrow to the right in order to play the next track. So you can do this while the screen is off, so remember to keep the screen off if you want to, for example, play the song. So these are the gestures that you want to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.